Xiaomi has launched the Xiaomi Redmi Note 5 in India at a starting price of Rs 9,999 for the 3GB variant. The Redmi Note 5 is a successor to the Redmi Note 4. In this video, let's have the first look at the device and unbox the device. Some of the content listed on the back side of the box are 5.99-inch full view display, 12 megapixel rear camera, 4000 mAh battery, Snapdragon 625 processor. Let's open the device. Opening the box, we have the TPU case cover. Let's keep aside. Then we have the smartphone itself. Here is a smartphone in a gold color. The box content includes the user guide, warranty information, micro USB cable, SIM ejector tool, and a 2-pin wall charger, which has output of 5 volts 2 amps, which does not support a fast charge. Let's have the first look at the device. On the front, there is a 5.99-inch full view display, which is a full HD plus display. There is a 5 megapixel front facing camera with LED flash, earpiece, sensors. Below there is a touch on screen button. On the right there is a volume rocker and power on off key. On the bottom there is a micro USB port for data charging and speaker grill. Coming to the top, we have the 3.5mm audio jack, secondary noise cancellation microphone, and a air blaster. On the left there is a SIM card slot, which is a hybrid slot. The Redmi Note 5 is made up of metal. On the right there is a 12 megapixel rear camera with dual tone LED flash, fingerprint scanner, and a Mi logo below it. There is slightly curved on the rear, which gives good grip in the hand. Xiaomi Redmi Note 5 is powered by a Snapdragon 625 processor with 3GB of RAM and 32GB of internal storage and 4GB of RAM and 64GB of internal storage, which is backed by a 4000 mAh battery. In terms of the camera, there is a 12 megapixel rear camera and 5 megapixel front facing camera. In terms of software, the Xiaomi Redmi Note 5 runs on a Android 7.1.2 based on MIUI 9.2. There are not much preloaded apps in the Xiaomi Redmi Note 5 smartphone. In terms of pricing, the Redmi Note 5 is priced at Rs 9,999 for the 3GB RAM model and the 11,999 for 4GB RAM model, which has a 64GB of storage. If you already have the Redmi Note 4, then it's not a huge upgrade over the Redmi Note 4, as it has identical specs. Just the difference will be the display, as Redmi Note 5 has a full view display.